Welcome to DeCrown Trading. I am your host, Arthur DeCrown. Let me show you around so you can get an idea of how our setup works. Here at this YouTube channel and at this community, we trade SPY options, SPX options, and ES and MES futures. Over on the side over here, we have the ES chart provided on NinjaTrader's platform. And below me is from TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim. We have a couple of watch lists for the options that we want to keep an eye on and the charts below and pricing below them. Before market opens and after market close, we focus on being able to keep on the charts or within sight SPX options. Once market opens, we switch gears and we switch over to the SPY calls and puts. And then once market closes, like I mentioned earlier, we switch back over to SPX. When we take a look at this following chart from Thinkorswim, we stack all three on top of each other. At the very bottom is SPX, in the middle is SPY, and at the very top is the ES. All three reflect the S&P 500. SPX at the very bottom only charts during the New York session, during market hours, but their options trade around the clock. SPY options only trade during market session, but the chart charts around the clock. It does close for maybe about an hour or so at night, but then it continues on its own. The one that charts the most and for the longest period of time is the ES, which we have on top. Now we chart off of the ES because with the ES, we're able to identify those gaps that you cannot see in SPX or SPY when markets close, or before or after the market opens and closes. So the ES gives us a good indication and a sense of direction if we should go up with a call or down with a put. And while we're there, depending on how the market is trading, we will decide if we will either be trading a futures trading strategy or an options trading strategy. And just in case, because we don't know what the market's going to give us that day, we're prepared to be able to make either or with the charting that we have in front of us. Now, let me show you the different charts that we flip back and forth between. This is the 2-minute zoomed in that you see over here on the NinjaTrader platform. And then we have the 2-minute zoomed out, the 16-minute, and then the 64-minute. Sometimes we want to take a look at all four charts. So what we'll do is that we'll do a kind of like a stack where we can take a look at all four charts side by side to get a better idea of what the levels that we're going to be looking at in case the market decides to go up or down. Now, on our chart, on our NinjaTrader charts, we do use a specific indicator. It is called New Algo. Let me show you how it is that you can get it. You can visit the New Algo affiliate link that we have in the description below. New Algo does offer other indicators, such as Z-Box and T-Stop Trend. They are part of the family from the Zoom In Profit, which has a different portal, which we'll be linking in the future here at our site too. As you scroll down, you can learn more about their products. New Algo also has a YouTube channel filled with a whole bunch of videos with different commentaries, strategies, and examples of how you can use your indicators to be able to make trades on different time frames, including their New Algo bars, or Neo bars as they call them. Feel free to explore it to learn more. Now at DeCrown Trading, of course, you'll be able to scroll around and explore our website or our YouTube channel to be able to learn more about the different types of information that we want to provide. We're building up our library, and as well, we go live Monday through Friday, for sure during market hours. We have multiple playlists. And as well, from our YouTube channel, you can go ahead and access the links to go over to our website portal, where you can sign up to become a member. Or if you don't want to become a member, you can also sign up just to access the Thinkorswim watchlist tool that we talked about on our channel. Let me show you what it looks like when you go inside of the website, if in case you decide to become a member. We have a discovery area where we can take a look at the top posts, some of the featured articles or posts or announcements that we post, and upcoming events at the very bottom. When you log in the first time, or once you go ahead and get oriented with the site, every time you log in, you're primarily going to come to our community chat. This is where our community members can share images or graphics that reflect how they feel or what they're thinking, and as well announcements, levels, and other trading information that can impact the day here. And as well, we do follow-ups where people can post how they're trading and what the results that they're having are. We also have a feed where we put announcements regarding the trainings, the updates, and where we schedule different types of live streams such as strategies and Q&A. We also have an event section where you can find out when the next live stream, training, or Q&A is going to take place. And as you may have seen, we also have an area dedicated to the TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim tools that we provide. Although the video does show you how you can go ahead and create the tool for yourself, we also have that video here. You don't have to be a member to be able to see that video, as it's also on our YouTube channel. But in our YouTube channel, although we have this other training video on how to use our tool, we have it here in case you need a refresher every time in the future that you need to access it. Below here, you can click here to download the spreadsheet of our tool to be able to update your watch list in seconds. In case you don't like to see this page here like on the side, you can click here in the corner to expand so that you can see it all as one page. Click again to expand out. And so that you don't have to come in here and scroll down every single time once we begin to do additional updates and changes to the site, depending on how we update the tool. We also do instant posts that you can access right away, so you can access the spreadsheet weekly. Here in this section, we also have a feed where we post all of the updates for the tool and any other tools that we put in here, as well as a chat where you can come in and drop a question, should you have any, and you can attach a screenshot of what you're experiencing to help us better understand your question or your needs. Please understand that if we're busy with the live feed, or if it's after hours, we will try to reply and provide you an answer as soon as possible. Or if you're lucky, maybe a different community member can go ahead and see your question and help provide insight to an answer to your question. And that is definitely the peek into our community. Again, you can join our community for right now, the current price of $30 a month or $300 a year, where you get a $30 discount for paying for the whole year up front. Now, when you come in here and you scroll down, you can click here on this little icon here to switch from annual to monthly. In the event that you are not interested in joining the community, but you are interested in accessing the Thinkorswim watchlist tool that we provide, you can access it for $20 a month or $200 a year, where you will constantly receive updates every week or on the fly, depending on what's going on that week. You don't have to get both if you want access to both. All of our community members will automatically get access to the TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim tool and any other tools that we make available as part of your membership. You don't pay for extra classes or anything at this time. You only pay for access, and all of the training is free. We hope that you consider subscribing to our community so that you can come hang out with us. Communicating on the community chat is a lot more fun than the YouTube chat. Now, you don't necessarily have to subscribe to our community just yet. For the time being, our live streams will be made available during the week, at least until our platform grows. Once we get to a specific size, we will no longer be offering the live streams the majority of the week, except maybe on Monday and Fridays. It doesn't cost anything to subscribe to the YouTube channel and to access what we make available here for all of you and our community to be able to grow. We hope that you become interested in being able to join us every day. And we try to make the live stream interesting when we can, but when we're watching the market try to start to make a move, we'll try to play music to try to keep you entertained in the background. Thank you very much for watching this orientation. We do hope that you like, share, or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Looking forward to seeing you on our next live stream. Take care.